Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of our Marvel Insight series, where we spotlight the brilliant minds behind Marvel software and dig into the innovation and expertise that drive us forward. Today, I'm delighted to be joined by David Hancock, our cloud architect based down under in Australia, whose deep technical knowledge and strategic insight play a pivotal role in shaping the future of our product and platform ecosystem. David, it's fantastic to have you with us. To get us started, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and your role here at Marvel? Maybe a typical day and how it looks for you as a cloud architect.
So I'm responsible for a lot of the day-to-day technical operations in Marvel. A typical day for me, I manage a few staff members. We work on integrations with Marvel, and we're developing at the moment, which I'll talk about a bit later, a cloud platform for integrations.
Great stuff. So let's talk a bit about our technology then. So could you share a high-level overview of Marvel MSN and the breadth and depth of its capabilities? So maybe tell the audience what makes it such a powerful and adaptable platform for our customers.
Yeah, so Marvel MSM is a full-featured service management tool, and it really has the rich functionality you expect from a service management tool, such as complex SLA management, extensive approval engines, and an excellent integration platform. Marvel MSM has been pivotal in the last 30 plus years in defining what it means to be a best practice ITIL and IT service management tool. And that's where we really excel as a platform and as a company.
Great stuff. Thank you. And obviously we know a little bit about the world of service management tech, and we know that it never stands still. So what have been maybe some of the key recent releases or developments in Marvel's technology for so far in 2025? Maybe you can tell the listeners.
In the past 6 to 12 months, Marvel has implemented extended graph API capability, and we've also implemented access management in Marvel. So that supports card swiping functionality. And we've also implemented things like CI integration from Azure in Marvel. And so you can pull your configuration items into Marvel and use all the functionality within Marvel, like approvals and all the management tools you would with the configuration items.
Sounds like you've been busy. Some great developments there. Thank you. And look into the future then. So how would you see Marvel's technology evolving here on in throughout the rest of 2025 and maybe into 2026?
Yes, so we have some exciting plans for 2025, 2026. In the next 12 months, we plan on extending our integration platform. One of the things that our customers want from us is to see more simplicity in the way integrations are configured, while also finding that rich functionality in the configurations. So we're looking to have more of a balance in those areas, to have the technical functionality we need, as well as having it simple to configure. To solve this problem, what we're doing is investing more in integration developers, and we're putting work into the design and build of an MSM integration platform for our customers. This platform will provide both rich functionality and simplicity in the configuration. So that will strike the right balance between those two things that we're talking about, to provide what customers expect from a system such as this. And what that will mean is over the next 6 months, these integrations will start to be released and provided to customers. We've already developed and simplified integrations such as Microsoft Teams, Twilio, and Slack, but many more will be released and developed over the next coming months. One of the areas we are looking into as well is the user experience of Marvel. Our current UI is best in class for service management. However, there are some improvements we can make to the user experience of MSM. This includes implementing wizards, which will transform the way system administration is done in MSM. So functions such as implementing a new request type will be finely tuned to include all steps required, instead of moving to different parts of the tool to implement dictionaries, permissions, and layouts, for instance. So you'll be able to use a wizard, which will greatly reduce the complexity of these functions. And so I'm really excited about that coming to Marvel.
Sounds fantastic, David. Lots of exciting innovations focusing, it sounds like, on simplicity and ease of use. So I look forward to seeing those released to the customers. So thank you, David. Insightful as always. It's great to get a behind the scenes view of technology that really powers Marvel. And clearly your expertise and perspective on where we're heading is incredibly exciting and hopefully gives our community a lot to look forward to. So to everyone watching or listening, thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Marvel Insights. If you'd like to learn more about Marvel or explore our platform's capabilities or stay up to date with the latest developments, feel free to visit us at www.marvel.co.uk. And we'll be back soon with more conversations and insights from across the Marvel team. Until then, stay connected.